Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. This is the summary video for today's lesson. Subject Science, Unit 3, Lesson 3.2. Why evaporation is useful. From your learner book, page number 36, 37. And your homework for today, page number 24, from activity book. First of all, learning objective. Know that evaporation occurs when a liquid turns into a gas. And also, we solved the exercise in the class. Let's review. Let's review our lesson. Why evaporation is useful. We use evaporation in many different ways. For what? Talk about how evaporation happens in each of these pictures and how it is useful. You can see here there is a girl using hair dryer, drying their hair. You can see about dryer. It just in dryer just warm air. If this one warm air get the water inside the air, make it heat up. So, if water heat up, it will evaporate. So like this, we can dry our hairs. Like this grabs and drying on the rack. You can see this on rack. You put some kind of gaps. And using sunlight, the water get heat up and then it evaporate. Like this washing machine, tumble dryer. We put our clothes and you can see after some time because of air, because of heat up, so the water dry from our clothes. Like this evaporation cools things down, how when we are hot, we sweat. When we are hot, our body hot, when we run or when we move fastly, our you can see on our face, we have sweat. As the faster hottest water particles in the sweets escape by evaporation, as the fastest hottest water particles in the sweets escape by evaporation. They take heat energy from our skin. This is the kind of water take heat energy from where? From our skin. Water needs energy to evaporate. Water needs energy to evaporate. Heat energy to evaporate and change from a liquid to the gas. If this energy comes from the surface of your skin, so what you can feel, your skin gets cooled. Your skin get cooled. You can do like this, wet your hand and then you check it. You're feeling cool after some air. You're blowing. You can see when we sweat, our skin cool down. Yes, because of air. You have your skin already had sweats on their surface. So because of wind, you're feeling cool. For this, you can make an experiment. Have you ever used hand sanitizer? The sanitizer evaporates off your hands, making them feel cool. Yes, with the evaporation, with the sanitizer, you can do this experiment. And also different cloths you're putting outside the home because of sunlight, because of air, the liquid evaporate faster when the air is moving. And also sweets make us cool. Sweeting, okay, on our face, on our body, make us cooler. For this, you also have an activity. You want to try this and check it. You can do it at home. Breathe onto the back of your hand. Does your breath feel warm or cool? Obviously, you can feel cool if you wet your hand and then blow a little air. You can do it. Okay, next. What you have learned in this lesson: evaporation helps us to dry things such as washing our hair or and food. And food, this is evaporation. With the help of evaporation, we can dry it. Also, liquids evaporate faster with the air is when the air is moving. Now we are solving exercise. Question number one: explain two way in which a hair dryer makes water evaporate. Make water makes water evaporate from our hairs. Easy, I told you before. It will get warm air. It heat up the water in your hair. When you're using hair dryer, it heat up the water in your hair, which means that the water evaporate more quickly, and also it blows away the water vapor and speed up evaporation evaporation in the same way that wind does. Question two. I think three foods that are made by using evaporation. Very easy. So we write here dried beans, and dried milk, and dried fish. Part B, find more about how one of these food is made. Simple like dry milk. How this made? Okay, drying process involves is making a food product. Drying processes a process involved in making a food product. Okay, question three. Why do you think soil is the guard in the garden dried out more quickly on hot, windy day? Hot, windy day. Yes, obviously. The soil. This heat up from the sun one and also from the with the help of some animal with the okay sorry the heat from the sun and the wind with the help of wind, sorry, the heat from the sun and the wind make water in the soil evaporate more quickly. The first thing, sunlight, it make the soil heat up and that easily make dry. And the second thing, wind blowing also, this both combine, okay, like this then easily sunlight and wind this make the soil dry quickly. Okay, everyone, take care. Page number 24 completed and send it to you. Goodbye, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.